set up this printer with your Windows 10 laptop or computer and do the wireless printing and scanning. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. Now go to the printer's display panel. To activate the Wi-Fi direct, press the wireless button once. It will activate the Wi-Fi direct. As you can see, the small icon has appeared here. We also need to print the password of this printer. For that we need to press and hold the paper button and the information button unless printer prints a page. So printer printed the page and it says welcome to Wi-Fi direct. It displays the name of the printer and its password. So just keep it with you. Now go to your Windows 10 laptop or go to your Windows 10 laptop or computer and open the Wi-Fi setting of this printer. In the Wi-Fi setting, just wait for the printer's Wi-Fi to appear here. So here we can see direct HP DeskJet 270 series. So once you click on that and click on the connect button, and here you will see it says enter the pin from the router level using 8 digit, and we are going to use the another option which is at the bottom. It says connect using a security key. So click on that. Now we enter the password here. And click on the next button and click on yes. So just wait and it will connect the Wi-Fi with the printers. Now you see it says it is securely connected and there is no internet. Now go and download the HP Smart app from the App Store and you can open this app. So as you can see, the HP Smart app I have opened here. There is a plus button on this side of the screen, as you can see. So you just have to click it and it will search for the printer here. And here we see HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. Click on it again. And your printer is available here. So you can see the printer detail is available as well. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing. So go to the print document section. And look for any document you want to print and give the print command. On the next screen you have to select the printer again. So look for the HP DeskJet 270 series and click on the print button. So here we can see it has printed as well. So this way we can do the wireless printing with this printer. Thanks for watching.